the Priestley Centre is 10 years old, and I reflect back to December 2015 when colleagues were sending me messages from Paris to say the country were about to make an historic agreement. They were going to try and limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. Over 190 nations came together, committing to transformative action, such as rapidly shifting fossil fuels, electrifying our economies, and restoring natural ecosystems. But at the time, Keegan Collins was pissing. The science community didn't completely understand the impacts of 1.5 degrees versus 2 degrees, or what to do to keep global warming within those limits. So we set out to do better, and they founded the Priestley Centre to bring together science, policy, and real-world action. 10 years on, we built something we can be proud of, a global community with over 500 people supporting people in forming policy and helping to shape climate action. From our climate scholars to work with governments and the UK, we work to connect evidence with statistics. And what about Paris? The world is now in cutting distance of 1.5 degrees, but the facts that are investing in renewables is growing. Emissions have fallen in the UK, and climate policies around the world are driving real change. The world is now heading towards around 3 degrees of warming this century, not 4 degrees, which shows how far we've come, but also how far we still have to go. It's a more challenging world today. We're having to frame our argument differently to explain how addressing climate is an issue of national security and economic interest, but what keeps me going and what keeps the centre going is the people behind it and the positive changes we are collectively making. We don't know what's around the corner, but what we do understand, we understand what we have to do to make the more just society, and what we have to do to make our society more climate resilient. So I'm really looking forward to working with everyone to affect some real change.